I have already compiled this script in HTML that performs joint mutual probability, and I wanted you to recite it with me.
What? Already? Really? So fast? Okay, you start.
Θαυμαστικό USRBNV Python 3 a function that returns the two possible joint entropies of two discrete random variables def conditional entropy joint, marginal x, marginal y. From numpy import log view as log view conditional and xi isn conditional entropy of x given y conditional and x isn conditional entropy of y given x for I in range len marginal y for j in range len marginal x if joint t j isn and marginal y isn if the probability is 0 there is no need to calculate conditional and xi isn joint t j log view joint t j marginal y for I in range len marginal y, for j in range len marginal x, if joint t, j isn and marginal x isn if the probability is 0 there is no need to calculate conditional and x, isn joint t, j log view, joint t, j, marginal x j, return, conditional and xi, conditional and x.
# function that returns the joint entropy of two discrete random variables def joint underscore entropy, PMF. # PDF is the joint PDF of the discrete random variables from numpy import log2 as log2 import numpy as np joint underscore ent equals 0 dimensions equals np dot shape, PMF. # number of rows and columns of the joint PDF matrix for I in range 0, dimensions 0. # rows of matrix for j in range 0, dimensions 1. # columns of matrix if PMF I, j equals 0. # if joint probability is 0 there is no need to calculate joint underscore ent dash equals PMF I, j asterisk log 2, PMF I, j return joint underscore ent.
Function that returns the mutual information of two discrete random variables def mutual information int, marginal x, marginal y. From numpy import log view as log view mutual info isn mutual information of x and y for I in range len marginal y, for j in range len marginal x, if joint t. j isn and marginal y isn and marginal x j isn if equal to 0, no need to calculate mutual infos in isn joint t, j log view, joint t, j, marginal y marginal x j, return mutual info.
From joint import joint underscore entropy from conditional import conditional underscore entropy from mutual underscore info import mutual underscore information import numpy as pin underscore string equals input introduce marginal PMF of x separated by commas, PMF underscore x equals list map float in underscore string dot split. # split input by commas into list and float in underscore string equals input introduce marginal PMF of y separated by commas, PMF underscore y equals list map float in underscore string dot split. # split input by commas into listing float joint underscore PMF equals np dot zeros shape equals len PMF underscore y len PMF underscore x # matrix with dimensions given by PDFs print joint PMF table for I in range 0 len PMF underscore y # input of elements of joint PMF table for j in range 0 len PMF underscore x joint underscore PMF I, j equals float input introduce element of row plus str I plus and column plus str j plus # printing results calling functions of joint.py, conditional.py and mutual underscore info.py print the joint entropy is joint underscore entropy joint underscore PMF print the conditional entropy is x pipe y pipe x conditional underscore entropy joint underscore PMF underscore x PMF underscore y print the mutual information is mutual underscore information joint underscore PMF underscore x PMF underscore y.
Wow, thank you for helping me, you have been very patient. I think I can have a better grasp of the concept now. For more on this topic, βαθμοί Κελσίου ή Lesteros or Mohit 155.
Great, Now I can start the paperwork that I had meant to get through before breakfast. In the meantime, if you are having trouble with code, are trying to build a code project, integrating custom solutions into your daily processes, or you just need the confidence of a team, try Save Media Services. They offer so many different computer services. Text this number +1 91750233613 for more on their services, or if you would like to buy their services.